Well, if you love watching those videos about what's in my bag, as much as I like those videos, then keep watching. It's in blue jean color. It's vintage. It's from 2003. And it is full of stuff. So the first thing I'm taking is my tripod. So I can do some videos in the area that she lives in. It's really pretty. Obviously, I'm taking my wallet. This is my sunglass case. Just some black ones. This sunglass reading glass type case, very soft. Came in a package of 3 or 4 online. It's all velvet in the inside. I really like these. Okay, then I got some coins. Okay, then this is a O case that I got pre-loved from Fashion File. It has a little mark on it. So I got this very inexpensive, I'd have to go look it up, but I think this was only like $259, and these usually run $500. So I'm taking that. Oh, my makeup case is in the other room. I have a little mini deodorant that's going to go into that makeup case, and I'm only going to take just all the minis that I have for my makeup case. Yeah, it's in the other room. I need to remember to pack that too. Put that in here. Kleenexes. I have a nail file, a little mini. Oh, that's why I had this in here. I was going to put all my minis inside this pochette. This also came from Fashion File, pre-loved to me. My little minis are going to go inside here. Forgot why I put that in there. I love this little bag. Okay, then my favorite snacks are the David bars. And I have 3 different, nope, I have 2 different kinds. This is the peanut butter chocolate. And the new one I just received was the blueberry pie. Had one of these last night. I could only finish half of it, but I'm telling you, this protein bar is delicious. It's like a candy bar. It has great nutritional value on the back of it. Fiber, all that stuff. So I love these David bars. So if you can find those, I ordered a whole case off of Amazon. But I think these are now being sold at Walmart. So I'm bringing my snacks. And then this little mini pouch has all of my catch-alls that I keep in most of all of my bags. So I have cough drops, I have my aspirins, we have Band-Aid, looks like I got 2 of those. I have ear plugs for the airplane. I carry an ink pen in here, so if this ink pen was to run, it's gonna just go through here. Plus the bag has an insert, so I never have pens just laying in the bottom of my bag. I have a comb. Let's see, got a couple of random rubber bands. Oh, I got 2 earplugs in here for the plane. So this is just a felt little zipper pouch. And The bag insert that I'm using for this trip is the real thin one. I'm not sure if this is 0.5 or a full 1 millimeter felt, but it's really, really lightweight. This bag is Clement's leather, and Clement's is the heaviest leather that Hermes actually uses. I read that online somewhere, but Clement's is very heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So this bag, not only is it really big, but it's heavy, and I got all this crap in here that I'm taking on the plane. It's a short plane ride from where I live to where she is, so that's why everything's just going to go on in here. Let's see. This stuff. I'm filming on my phone, so that'll go in here. My makeup case, the little mini, is in the other room. Oh, my reading glasses. I have to go get one more pair of glasses and put them on another case. This insert has this little loop back here, and that's where I carry all my sunglasses or reading glasses so that they can stand straight up. I think that's for bottled water, this loop back here, but I would never carry water in my bag. Piece of fuzz. In. And I think I will put my snacks in the slide pocket. There we go. Yeah. So it's getting pretty full. That is what I'm taking on this trip. This bag, this blue jean, I bought this pre-loved from Fashion File 4 or 5 years ago. I can't remember what year it was I bought this. I have them all written down. All my bags are on the bag tracker sheets. Well, let me just go get one and show it to you, because you can have one for free. I made these tracker sheets for your handbag so that you can write down everything about it and know and remember what it came with, etc. And down in the description box, you can click on this and get this absolutely free. Just don't replicate it. Don't try to resell it. It's just for you personally. That'd be great. And it has, what's the name of the bag? So this is blue jean. 35 is the size. Date acquired was February of 2021. It's got silver hardware, or what they call in Hermes, this is palladium hardware. It came with the lock, the key holder, which is called a clochette. It hangs here. The code on the strap is a square G, which means it's from 2003. Bought it from Fashion File for $5,555. All fives. Okay, no box. It doesn't have a card because this isn't like an authenticity card like Chanel's, so it doesn't have that. It came with a dust bag. And so everything about the bag is on this little form. So feel free to click down below in the description box and get yourself one of these. Again, please do not share this with other people and have this being stolen or someone trying to replicate this. That would be appreciated. So this is my bag for my trip. Came from Fashion File. It is not in good condition. This is very, very worn. I don't want to have it repainted, but it is definitely worn. Even the corners are very worn. Actually, my ring light's making it look like it's got more than what it does. It's just the light shining on it. But I use this quite a bit. I change my bags out every Sunday. I use this one probably every 8-9 weeks. This is in rotation and it gets used. So it's gonna get good use when I'm gone for these 4 days. So thanks for watching What's in My Bag. I love those videos. If you're out there watching this video and you actually have a YouTube channel and you have one of those What's in My Bag videos, I've probably seen your video because I search on the bar at the top, What's in My Bag. I do personal What's in My Bag. I use, or I look up British Vogue, US Vogue, all of those, famous people, actresses, what's in their bags. But if you've had a video about what's in your bag, I'm pretty sure I've probably seen your video. So keep making them. I love watching them and I like making them. Thanks for watching my What's in My Bag. Hit that subscribe button that's down probably on this corner of your video. That would be fabulous. I'm trying to get those numbers up. YouTube is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a thing to hit the like button. It doesn't cost you a thing to hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There's not very many things left in the world that is absolutely free, but YouTube is a platform that's free. I get to upload videos that I like to do absolutely free, and you get to watch as a viewer absolutely free. Oh, and if you want a handbag tracker, absolutely free. You guys, catch you later. Bye.